When you type a website address into a browser and press enter, a lot happens in less than a second. Today, I'm going to show you the entire full-stack web development system. Think of it like a puzzle. Each piece has one job. When those pieces fit together properly, a modern website works. Let's start at the front. The first layer is the front end, what the public actually sees in their browser. HTML builds the structure of the page. It creates headings, paragraphs, images, and buttons. Think of it as the website skeleton. CSS controls the design. Colors, layout, spacing, fonts. It makes the page look professional. Think of it as the clothes and makeup for the site. JavaScript adds behavior. It makes features of the website interactive, like drop-down menus, form validation, or updating content without refreshing the page. Together, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript create everything the user can see and click. But websites don't just display information. They store data. They process logins. They handle payments. That's where the backend comes in. On the server, we might use a programming language like PHP to process requests. When someone logs in or submits a form, PHP decides what should happen next. Behind PHP sits a database, such as MySQL. The database stores information in organized tables such as tables for users, products, blog articles, and more. So the flow becomes, the browser sends a request, PHP processes it, MySQL stores the data, and the server sends a response back. Now here's something important. Not everything should live inside the public root folder of a website. If all our logic and database code were publicly accessible, things would get messy and easily accessible to being hacked. So professional developers use website architecture techniques to structure the website and its many files. One common structure is called Model View Controller. The model handles data. The controller handles logic. The view handles what gets displayed. This separation keeps projects organized, secure, and easier to manage as the website grows. While building a site, especially in a team, we also need a way to track changes, and we never work on a live website. That's where tools like Git and GitHub help us manage many file versions. Git records changes to our code, like a history timeline. GitHub stores those versions online and allows collaboration with coworkers on the same website project. Finally, once everything is built and structured properly, we host the site on a server and attach a domain name so people can access it. And that completes a full-stack web development environment. You're not just learning how to write code. You're learning how all the pieces of a website fit together to eventually become a full-stack web developer.